Dano, Americano. That's me. Hello, everybody. Hello. To go. It's another flying egg. Another flying egg. Should we play the flying egg game?
Yes.
All right, let's give it a try. We'll crack it. I'll close my eyes. Egg opens up. You see what's inside?
Yes.
All right, very good. Close the egg back up. Is it closed?
Yes.
All right, very good. Let's see. Is it a guitar?
No.
Chocolate?
No.
A computer?
No.
No. Is it a pencil?
No.
Is it a motorcycle?
No.
A banana?
No.
All right, let's do it like this. Is it a person?
No.
No, not a person.
No.
Is it an animal?
No.
No. Can it fly, like the flying egg?
No.
Okay. Is it a food, something
Yes.
you can eat? No.
Yes.
All right. Is it red?
No.
Is it yellow?
No.
Is it orange?
No.
Okay. I thought maybe it was an orange.
No.
Is it green?
Yes.
Green, eh?
Green.
Is it something you eat for breakfast?
No.
No. Is it a vegetable?
Yes.
All right. Is it lettuce?
No.
Is it, what else is a green vegetable? Peas. Are they peas?
No.
No. Another green vegetable. Broccoli?
Yes.
Yeah, broccoli. Really?
Yes.
All right, let's open it up. Yeah, that's broccoli. Sweet. I love broccoli. It's one of my favorite foods. I love broccoli. I could eat broccoli with anything. I could also maybe eat it for breakfast. A little bit weird, but I really like broccoli. Very good. All right, let's get the broccoli out of here. Very good. If you want to play another game, click up here. If you want to see something different, click down here. Another game. Something different. Another game. Something different. Another game. Something different.